Hi friends, here's some dinosaur projects that I think you will enjoy. Here's the body of a dinosaur, and here's the other pieces. Here's the head and some feet. You can watercolor these, you can use colored pencils, you can paint them any way you'd like. And then you're gonna cut the head and glue it on, and the feet and glue it on. And then here's a coconut tree, because dinosaurs love to eat from a coconut tree. So have fun with that. Then dinosaurs come from eggs. So here's a giant egg because dinosaurs are really big. So you're gonna cut out the egg or have an adult help you cut it out. And here's the dinosaur. You're gonna cut that out also. But you can decorate it before or after you do that. Decide how you wanna decorate the egg and decide how you wanna decorate the dinosaur. And you're gonna put the dinosaur inside your egg. And then you can be like, there's the dinosaur. Have lots of fun, friends. Bye.